What's up guys, C213 here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Whynter ICM 200LS stainless steel ice cream maker. Okay guys, here I am now. It's a pretty large box, so you have to excuse the weird angle and the fact that my head's cut off. If you hear noise in the background, it's just Squeaker, so try to excuse her. She's going to be making some noise. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing open. Now, it came in a larger Amazon box, but I opted against having that on camera because it's just massive. You know what I mean? This box is already big, and the Amazon box is just huge. Now, this ice cream maker has a 2.1 quart capacity, which is pretty good considering my old Mr. Freeze ice cream maker has a capacity of about 1.5 quarts. So this is going to allow me to make a much larger batch at a time, and I'm hoping that the motor for the paddle is much stronger, because again, the biggest issue with my Mr. Freeze is that the paddle motor is just not strong enough, so I'm forced to use smaller batches. Otherwise, it stops spinning way too early, and then the ice cream ends up just being a slushy mess. So let's go ahead and get into it here. So we got an external box here, internal box. It's well padded. So, you know, A+ on the packaging here. I'm going to try and tilt it so you guys can see what's going on. So you can see there's an internal box here inside, and the ice cream maker and all the accessories is in there. So I'm actually going to try and remove that now. Let me set this on a chair real quick. Okay, we got that out of the main box here. Move that to the side. Now what we got here on top, got a little measuring cup. It looks like, oh no, that's an ice cream scoop. Okay guys, that's pretty cool. It's an ice cream scoop, and it's got a little release right there, as you can see. So when you press this button, a little tab comes out and for the release right there. You've got your instruction manual here, pretty standard stuff. And you have got the extension part of your power cord. The rest is underneath, so let's go ahead and remove the styrofoam. Alright, there she is. Again, it's going to be a little bit of struggle, but let me see if I can grab this bag and get her out just enough so I can move the box. So here it is. It's a good size. Again, a lot of people don't understand that with a compressor-based ice cream maker, you got to leave room for the refrigeration. Otherwise, it's not going to get cold. So what you're seeing is just the sheer size of the refrigeration required to properly freeze 2 quarts of ice cream. So there you go. The top here, it's got a little bit of tape on it. And you've got your paddle down here. And then you've got a removable ice cream bucket right here, which is very nice. And you've got your digital controls. So I'll tell you what guys, this is just an unboxing video. I'll briefly show you what the unit looks like here. But I will be doing a full review, or preview at least, sometime in the future. Again, there's not much I can do right here. I'll have to get a chance to use this thing before I can honestly tell you how it works and functions. But you've got your buttons over here, you've got your add and subtract time, you've got a menu button, your power button, and your start and stop. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like. If you have any questions, comments, or if you own one of these and you want to tell me your experience with it, leave it down below. And if you want to see more, get subscribed.